The internet is constructed upon many levels, all of which will be explained upon in this video. The first essential item that you will need is a router. A router is a device that forwards packages of information across multiple networks. You can obtain a router from your ISP, Internet Service Provider. An example of an Internet Service Provider could be BT, Sky, or TalkTalk. The next step to accessing the internet involves the use of a web browser. This is a piece of software that is used to send data that is currently held within the World Wide Web. Examples of web browsers that are available are Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Internet Explorer. In order for the internet to function properly, there needs to be a way to establish a link between the internet and the web server. A web server is a way to upload your website to the internet. The link between the two of them comes in the form of a proxy server. A proxy server is a server that acts as a gateway for requests for people seeking different resources from different servers to be put together. To ensure that data is sent or received in the correct way, there are a list of internet protocols that must be filled out. These are a set of rules that govern the format of data sent over your network. The most common thing to do on the internet is to check your emails. In order for this to happen, email server is used within your own network. The email server consists of an area reserved for storage and where your emails are all stored together. This works in tandem with other programs to make up all the messaging system, otherwise known as your email application. The email application allows you to access your account and see what emails you've received. Now that the components have been discussed, let's talk about the basics of web architecture. The first thing you will need is a web development software. The software allows you to create immensely detailed websites without any difficulties along the way. Examples of the software that you can find is Web Plus, Dreamweaver, and there are many more others out there as well. Once connecting your website to a web server, as mentioned previously, a domain name is required for your website. In simple terms, a domain name is used to help identify more than one IP address. A domain name is used within the URL to help identify particular web pages. All web pages use either .com, .net, .org or .co.uk. These are all called domain suffixes. This helps identify what type of website or domain name it will be. For example, a website that uses .com, at the end of their web address is usually a high-end corporation, whereas most non-profit organisations will use .org at the end of their web address.